Hey everyone, today we're unboxing and reviewing the Enlarged Rolling Shower Chair, a 4-in-1 mobility solution designed for the elderly, injured, disabled, or anyone facing mobility challenges. Let's check it out. So right out of the box you can see it's well packaged, it's easy to assemble, and the chair is made from sturdy aluminum, keeping it lightweight but durable with weight capacity of 350 pounds. So putting this together is quick and simple, no complicated tools needed. It features a soft PU cushion, an ergonomic backrest, and adjustable height settings to keep things comfortable. One of my favorite parts is a 4-in-1 design. It functions as a rolling wheelchair, a shower chair, commode chair, and even a raised toilet frame. Super versatile. And check this out. The footrest has a built-in safety support that kicks in if the chair tilts, so it prevents accidental falls. So the smooth rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver, and the locking system ensures safety when you need it to stay put. So you just push the lever down on those wheels and the chair locks securely in place. No unexpected movement. Overall, this enlarged rolling shower chair is a game changer for anyone needing extra mobility support. It's comfortable, easy to use, and adds confidence to daily routines. And just a heads up, this product was sent to me for review, but all opinions are my own. So thanks for watching.